rational expression, how can we solve for the value, or the expression, it's not the value, x over y. Okay? And if you try to ask what's the value of x and what's the value of y, I think it's a little bit easier, but you know, you need to manipulate also according to what is being asked. Okay? So here, how can we do this? X squared minus y squared over x plus y is equal to 3y. So you have an idea that this is the numerator is that. So that's what I told you. We need to memorize all the sum and difference of square, cubes, fourth roots, so that it can easy for us to solve, no? Parang ganon. You get the point? Any questions so far? Okay, for that. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, a squared minus b squared, diba? Okay, so what's this all about? A squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Ganun. Okay? Things like that. Making so far. And if you say a minus b raised to the power 2 is equals to a squared plus 2ab, okay, diba? Minus 2ab plus b squared. Tama ba yan? Okay, things like that. Okay, so ang atong cube po siya, we have a to the cube minus b to the cube. Okay, get the point. So we have here, okay, how can we do this one? So this is a minus b times a squared times a minus b plus ab, okay, then plus b squared, okay. And then expansion, a minus b raised to the power 3 is equals to, memorize nyo na ito guys ha, okay, get the point, let's memorize this completely. Okay, so b to the cube, okay, minus, okay, 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. Kana lang sa, okay, ang difference of squares and cubes. Okay? Things like that. Okay, na pa sila in a plus b squared, okay, then plus a minus b squared is equals to 4 times, okay, x squared plus y squared. Okay, tama ba? Ganon, no? Okay, this is 2. And then a plus b raised to the power 2 minus a minus b raised to the power 2 is equals to 4xy. Parang ganon. Okay? Kana lang sa, actually there's so many. You get the point? Oo, sa atong special algebraic identities. You get the point? Oo. Here, kung naman siya, difference of 2 squares. So kanila siya. Okay, so let's use this one. So x plus y, you get the point? Oo. Diba guys? X plus y times x minus y, no? Over x plus y is equals to 3y. So cancel this x plus y. So mabilin, what's left is 3y x minus y. Okay? Then transpose, no? 3y plus y is equals to x. Then 4y is equals to x. Then you want this into this form, right? So ito pa, x over 4y, diba? So you divide this by 4y. Divide by 4y. So this is 1 is equals to x over 4y. Diba? Tama ba? Okay. And then, you want this to be x one, so multiply by 4y. So therefore, cancel, so x over, cancel na siya, and then over 1, 4y, no? Diba? So 4y, 4y, cancel, ching. Okay? Ang mabilin si x, bigat tapos si 4y, x is equals to 4y. No? Tama ba? So, divide both sides by y so that mahimo siyang x over y. Okay. So, cancel siya. So, x over y is equals to 4. Tama ba? X over y is equals to 4. So let's review, no? So, okay. Okay. So x minus y is equals to 3y. Okay. And then, so 3y is equals to x minus y. So 3y plus 4, okay, transpose man. So 3y plus y is equals to 4y. 4y is equals to x divided by both sides by y to make it x over y. Okay. Let's make it in this form. Diba? So 1 over x over 4y. Multiply this by 4y so that it will become x over y. To remove the number, no? So x over y, okay, cancel. It will become x is equals to 4y. Okay? And then x equals to 4y, so again divided by y. So x over y is equal to 4. Diba? Okay. So our answer here is equal to 4. X over y is equal to 4. Are you sure, Sotero? Yes. No? Now let's try to substitute that here. If it is, it will be equal to 3y, no? So x. So calculate the value of x in this expression. This is 4y, right? So 4y raised to the power 2, no? Minus y raised to the power 2. Then x is 4y. Then plus y is equals to 3y, right? Then, 4y times 4y is 16y squared. 16y squared, diba? Minus y squared. Then 4y plus y, 5y, diba? Is equals to 3y. Then 16y minus y squared is 15y squared divided by 5y is equals to 3y. Okay, 15 divided by 5, 3, no? Cancel, charo, chuba, chucho. So this is 3y, perfect. So meaning to say our x over y is equals to 4. Okay? I solved already on the spot. This is coming from the social media, Facebook, in which it triggered me a lot how to solve for x and y. Okay? So what is the best corrective measure there, Shotero? We need to understand really this sum and difference of squares and cubes, and we need to completely memorize. Because if we have that already, then we can substitute that in our, rational expression. Then we can cancel what is being cancelable. Okay, and we can manipulate things out. Because here also, guys, this is not. Actually, this is fabricated only type of question because normally in math kasi we need to solve for the values of x and y. Okay? But in math puzzle and social media, they will try to ask you x over y, what is the value of 2x, like that. No, instead of asking for the x, 2x, things like that. So really measuring us, no? If we really understand. Okay, that's right. Perfect na siya, no? The question so far, we proved it already. By substituting the values of x over y also for to the original equation. So 3y is equals to 3y. Perfect. Question. Okay, and then in this group, nobody answered. You got the point. I was triggered. Okay, get the point. Things like that. Okay. Hello, Osama Fahad. Okay. Okay. He said he don't like math. Okay, so I need to change chemistry like that. What do you want? Somebody dropped a comment in my comment section. Osama Fahad. I think this is I don't want to speak. No, it's not really an Asian entity. Well, Asian entity. It's not a person from Asian countries. No, the name itself. Okay. Soma, it looks like it can be also right. Okay. Osama Fahad. It looks like Arabian guy, right? Thank you so much for watching. You don't like math. He commented, I hate math. Gunner. Okay, things like that. Wow. You don't like math daw. In fairness, you get the point. Ika. Okay, things like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sir. See you later. Gusto ko na hagmat, guys. Uy, at